Hey guys, welcome back to our first video of how to make slime. Okay, good. First you get this glue in. Get this glue in your bowl. This bowl. Okay, good. Now that's that poured in. That's all poured in. We get borax or whatever you want. Borax, activator, whatever. Just pour it in. Pour a little bit in. And pour a little bit in. Good. Now that that's poured in, go get a mixer, Elias. Go.
Right now we're gonna get a mixer.
Okay, good. Now, when you have a mixer, you just need to mix it. Add lotion in. Just like whatever type of lotion you have, just pour some pumps into it. But first, we need to mix this. Yeah, first we need to mix this. And I guess probably can't see very well. Pour like 3 pumps. Maybe one more. We'll just do that. And then Elias is bringing a mixer right now. Good. We have a mixer. Finally. And now we just mix in. Mix in. Come on. I hope this works. This is not real. We don't know. It's just a test.
Yeah, but stay tuned.
Yes.
But warning, do not tell your parents that you're doing this, because if you do a mess, then they're gonna find out. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned with the
And subscribe and give a like to this video.
And the channel.
And the channel who's watching this.
I don't think this is working. But still, stay tuned. Who says we need more borax?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should probably get more borax. This is a test, remember. You guys can click the X if you want to on this video. If you want. Oh, I put a lot.
We shouldn't make this derpy face though. Dude, stop. You're embarrassing us.
No,
Sorry about that.
I'm not. You're only 8 years old. What are you talking about?
Okay,
Now we added shaving cream. Okay, add it in.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Maybe to make it fluffy. Okay, this just looks like melted salt. But like
You can
in
smell
chunks.
that, guys? Smell it.
No, they can't smell it.
I know.
Okay.
It's
Wow. You can click exit on the video if you want. Just go ahead. Go right ahead. So people that still want to stay tuned, stay tuned. This is so bad. Oh no. Mix.
the next thing we're gonna add is lotion.
We already added lotion.
Oh. Sorry.
This,
Oh, we put too much.
put too much.
Do we need this
Why-
fluffier?
Yes, I think. Oh, this is starting to get like slime, but not like sticky slime.
Guys, this is actually working.
Not much. It's kind of watery. This is kind of like extra. Okay. We think that's good. That's good. Okay, that's good.
I
That's
didn't
a
even
lot.
put any.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You put a lot. I think you need a lot more glue than this. Don't have much. Okay. Click X on this video right now. Right now, click X. Click X. If you don't want to click X, just watch us fail and stuff. Ew, what is this? What is this? Hold it, Elias. Hold it. Ew. It just feels like sponge.
I know.
I'll give this a thumbs up. Oh, I got an idea. Grab that.
What?
Grab this and show it to the camera. Yeah. No, not this. Elias, next to you, right in front of your face.
Oh, right.
Yes. Anyone. Show it. Show every single one. Every single one. Try that. We have sparkles. Yeah. Oh my god. We have click X on this video right now. Black stuff.
Round.
Not skin color. I'm not. No.
Silver.
Like
Green.
black, the actual color.
Gold.
Yes.
Dark blue.
Probably turquoise.
Baby
I think.
blue. Pink. Red. We should probably green.
Do a combination with every single color.
Yeah.
Add a little bit. Okay, how do I open this?
You twist it.
I kept trying. Oh, I know. You just pop it open. Add. Oh, okay.
Can you help me?
Yeah. Okay. Baby. My 8-year-old baby. And I'm 9
Do
years
you
old.
hear that? Oh, sorry.
And I'm 9 years old. Baby.
Dude, you're spilling on yourself.
Yeah, I know that. I take a shower. Okay. Click X on this video, I said. I said click X. This has been going on for 5 minutes. Yeah, definitely click X. Okay, that's good. Dude, that's a lot. That is so much. Oh no, this video is gonna be so bad.
I know.
Please click X. Please click X. Okay. Oh, how nasty is this? Oh no, stop. No more glitter. No more glitter.
Should we put more of this?
More borax. Oh. No more shaving cream. This is making it bad, I think.
I think we need more of this.
No, we don't. If I didn't have borax and what I would have activator, everything would be fine. But I don't have activator. I have borax, which I bought at the store. And that's all the lotion we need. Oh, this is hurting my hands.
You want me to mix?
Not like hurting, like it's actually something is stinging. Oh my god, this looks so bad. Are you sure you guys want to see it? Are you sure? Okay. Oh. Ew, how nasty is that? Ew. Look at when we touch it. Look at what happens. Ew. This looks like sponge. Here, you touch it, Elliot. Squeeze it. Squeeze it like that. Ew, gross. Such a gross thing. Oh my god, that's so much borax. Put it back. The box is going to hold this. Wait. Good. Now, our videos suck. Like, I have my own YouTube channel. I have my own YouTube channel.
Oh, this looks so gross, guys.
Nasty. Go touch it. Squeeze it, Elliot. Squeeze it. I'll be right back. I'm going to wash my hands.
Look at that, guys. I'm gonna keep mixing. Put a little bit more of this.
I'm going to do something. Grab the clapperboard. You still cut. Grab it. Go grab it.
Clapperboard.
Go, you know. Go grab the clapperboard so we can do cut. Okay, now. Okay, good. 1 million minutes later, 5 days later, 50,000 days later. Finally, we made slime. We made slime. We are in the future now. Spent all this time just to make slime.
Yeah.
You should go try this out. Look
Yeah.
at go. Oh yes. Joe, go try this out.
Yeah. And if
It's
you
the
want not to dry it out, put it in one of these containers and spin it.
Guys, I'm just kidding. That's not true what I just did. It hasn't been 50,000 days. It's been 1 day. And this is box slime.
Yeah, this is what it actually looks like.
That makes me cry. No, stop. No more. Are your hands stinging? Like, do they sting?
No.
No.
Why? Yours?
They did. Now that I wash my hands.
It's probably from the chicken wings.
No.
Tender.
Chicken. Ooh. Tender. Did you just smell this? It smells so good. Smell this? Oh yeah, smell it. Oh yeah. I'm just kidding. You can't. can't smell it. So, guess what type of technology we're using to record? You guessed it! An iPhone. Let me tell you guys a joke. You guys know what cliff art is? Cliff art is cliff fart. You guessed it, ladies and gentlemen. Cliff art. Cliff art. We don't have any more. Stop. Okay, good. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.